I ain't make no bread when I out of these deals. I'm gonna keep it 1,000, bro. I ain't make no bread off of, you know what I'm saying, Shady, Griselda, and the Scope this deal.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And I ain't complain though. I just, had to recalibrate. And then I jumped in the driver's seat. And now I'm, doing good with my album and I gotta shout out Paul, like shit, he from what I see, shit, he exceeded my expectations. Facts, you know what I'm saying? Eminem called me like, yo, that shit is a classic, bro. Like I'm listening to a classic right here. I got like 2 songs left, but like you might have just low key just dropped a hip hop classic. Eminem told me like that. I don't need no money or nothing now. That's that was it for me. Shit, that's more than any check anybody could sign me.
Right.
You feel me? Because I hold M to that high regard. You know what I mean? But
you always spoke about that, how you was one of the few dudes in the hood in Buffalo that was like you had to wait till you was kind of alone, away from the homies to play Eminem shit because they didn't really like that shit. But you was the one studying. You was like, wow, this nigga's ill.
Yeah. So to even be a part of this shit and then just have my name etched in that history book, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a part of his story now. You know what I mean? That shit mean a lot to me. But again, man, I had to hustle this shit. I had to swim out of those murky waters myself. No life vest on, no rap. Nobody threw me a vest. Nobody came to get me. You feel me? And motherfuckers is shocked to see me. I made it to shore, still breathing with all my jewels on still.